When we talk about product design, we need to first clarify what we mean by product design. First of all, product design might refer only to the outcomes, to the finished characteristics of a process. How is the design of a product? However, on the other hand, product design can also refer to the process on how to design a product. What are the different actions, what are the different tasks that are required in order to design a product? We will consider both of these views, and so let's jump right into what do you refer when you think about product design. Well, some of you might think of, in the fashion context, what is the design of some clothes, shirts, what is the fashion, how is the look and feel, what is the material, and this is definitely referred to as design. Some other students might think of a more technical approach. Product design involves measuring weights, distances, maybe load calculation, what is the performance of a product. This is also part of the design process. And what types of products are designed? Basically speaking, every product is designed in a certain way. Some companies put in a lot of effort on product design. Some, maybe smaller, younger companies, put in less effort, but there will be always an effort in designing a product. So, for example, if you go to Starbucks, you can be sure that the whole experience at Starbucks is subject to product design. So we can also apply to something like Starbucks service design. We don't go into the details of designing a service, but on a higher level, it is very similar like product design. So when I'm talking about a coffee product at Starbucks, of course, this product is designed, the cup is designed, the temperature, the serving temperature is clearly defined, how it is served, the color, the logos, but also the way the people at Starbucks, the salespeople, the barista is treating you, how they take your order, how they give you the coffee. This is all subject to a very strict design process. So in the end, product design is relevant for every company. And if we think of product design as the outcome, then we say that all the features, all the characteristics of a product make up the design of the product. And when we look at the process perspective, when we're interested in the different actions that are taken to arrive at a product design, then we say that product design is the process of defining all characteristics of a company's product. And what people are involved, what employees of the company are involved, many different people from many different departments. So typically you have some people from marketing analysts. They have to decide what does the customer like, how do we know, how do we learn what the customer wants. Art directors are involved in the design process, in the look and feel of the product. We have the sales department involved, who might come up with some sales expectation, some measurements on how big the market for this product might be. We have engineers that finally are responsible to make a plan on how this product can be manufactured. We have experts from the finance department that might help us to calculate how much we need to sell in order to make a profit, how the financing can look like, what other implication this has Maybe the the task of the finance experts is smaller when we look at some product like a coffee shop or selling coffees. But if we look at a different product like manufacturing a plane, which has an impact over several years on our company, then the finance knowledge is very much required. So again, every product faces some design. If it's a car, a plane, a phone, there are all design procedures involved. When Apple released the first iPhone, this was a major change in how a phone is designed and was really changing the industry. But you also have design at a restaurant. So every restaurant is thinking about the presentation of the products, of the meals they serve. Maybe a small family-owned restaurant does not put in so much effort in how it should look, but a big chain restaurant like Subway or McDonald's, they will put in a lot of effort in designing their meals. You also have design for websites, for example, social media sites. How is your newsfeed designed? How is the look and feel of this website? So you have a lot of product design here as well. And you also have product design in something like a study program at a university. There are certain rules how to study this program, what should be the outcomes of this program, etc. Though the product design includes the look, taste and feel, the materials, dimensions of the product, tolerances and performance standards.